Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure Google Chrome autofill settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon that gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. The settings page is where you'll find all the controls for managing your browser's behavior, appearance, and security features. Now look at the left side of the settings page. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Autofill and Passwords from this menu. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome handles your saved information, including passwords, payment methods, and personal details. Next, scroll down on this page until you find Autofill Settings and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed configuration area where you can fine-tune exactly how Chrome's autofill feature works for you. Here, you'll see several options that control the autofill behavior. In this section, you'll notice toggle buttons for enhanced autofill and verify it's you to autofill sensitive info. You can click these toggle buttons to enable or disable these features based on your preferences. Enhanced autofill provides more accurate form filling, while the verification option adds an extra layer of security when Chrome tries to autofill sensitive information. Now you'll see that you can configure settings across several categories, including Google Password Manager, payments, contact info, identity docs, or travel. Each of these sections allows you to customize how Chrome handles different types of information. This gives you complete control over what gets saved and how it's used. For this example, let's click on Google Password Manager. This is one of the most important sections as it controls how Chrome manages all your saved passwords and passkeys. It's where you can adjust the security and convenience settings for your login credentials. Once you're in the Password Manager, look at the left side and click on Settings. This will open up the Password Manager's specific configuration options where you can control various automated features. Here you'll see several toggle buttons that you can enable or disable according to your needs. You can toggle Offer to save passwords and passkeys, which controls whether Chrome prompts you to save new login information. You can also toggle Automatically Create a Passkeys to sign in faster, which helps you use modern passwordless authentication. Finally, there's Sign in Automatically, which determines whether Chrome logs you in without asking when you visit sites where you have saved credentials. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google Chrome autofill settings to work exactly how you want them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.